Today we're talking limoncello, which is a traditional Italian liqueur made from 3 simple ingredients: lemon peel, grain alcohol, and simple syrup, well, and a little bit of patience. You make it today, but you can't drink it today, but your future self will thank you for this. We've washed our lemons really well using a scrub brush. That gets off any goo that might be residual from a sticker on the lemon or any dirt. Just want them really clean. We have 15, so we have plenty of flavor for our final batch. All we're gonna do is peel these. Super easy using your regular vegetable peeler. As you're doing this, you really wanna get a very little amount of white, or no white if possible. That's the pith, and that will make your limoncello bitter, so you don't want that. Use a very light pressure and go slow. There's no rush, you have plenty of time. Put on a podcast, get some music going, muscle through. 1 down, 14 more to go. We have the lemon peels ready to go, and with the rest of our lemons, we're gonna make a really excellent lemonade. Don't worry, no waste here. We have a gallon glass container with a lid and 750 milliliters of grain alcohol. Plus, don't forget, wooden spoon. All we have to do is mix this with this in this, and that's our first step. Put the lemon peels right in the jar. The alcohol goes right on top. Give everything a quick stir and make sure all the peels are submerged. Just close this up. That's it for this step. All we have to do is let this hang out in a cool, dark place for 20 to 40 days so the lemon peels can steep in the alcohol. We're here 20 to 40 days later, and I'm still wearing the same outfit. Or this is one we started 30 days ago. You can see that it's got a really nice opaqueness to it, really good color. So we're ready for our next step, which is adding a sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is really easy to make. It is sugar and water, and you boil it. That's what we're gonna do. Water in first, then goes our sugar. We just have to give this a quick stir before we bring it to a boil. Make sure everything is well combined. Boiling it will thicken it and dissolve the sugar, and that's all we need to do here. Don't stir too much, as the more you stir, the more the sugar recrystallizes, and we don't want that. Our sugar syrup has cooled, and we're going to add that to our steeping lemon peels along with another bottle of grain alcohol. Very carefully, we're going to stir this. We're gonna let this sit in that same cool, dark place for another 20 to 40 days, and then there's only one more step, and it'll finally be ready to drink. Once it's done steeping, we can transfer it into a new container and add 2 cups of water. So we're gonna give this one final stir and put the lid on. This is good to go, as it is. You can keep it in the freezer. It's really nice to sip on its own, chilled after dinner, but it's also fantastic in cocktails. I wanna show you 3 of my favorite ways to use it. First up is the lemon kiss. We'll start with 1 ounce limoncello. Top with 3 ounces sparkling white wine. Garnish with 1 fresh raspberry. Enjoy. Next up is the limoncello gin cocktail. In a shaker, combine ice, limoncello, gin, lime juice, and 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, and shake it. Strain over ice into a rocks glass and garnish with 2 sprigs of fresh thyme. Last up, our limoncello drop martini. Into a shaker, we'll put ice, limoncello, vodka, orange liqueur, and lemon juice. Shake away. Strain into a martini glass and garnish with a lemon twist. That's it for homemade limoncello and 3 great summer cocktails. Get everything you need to create at myblueprint.com.